You've seen people online making money while they sleep, but is it legit? What if I told you that thousands of regular people are earning real income with nothing but a laptop and internet, and no product of their own? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. And in today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing in 2024, step by step, even if you have 0 followers or 0 experience. Stick with me till the end, because I'm sharing not just the basics, but also the one method most beginners miss that actually gets results. And hey, if you're serious about making money online, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a weekly wealth-building video. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service using a special link. If someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to deal with customers. You just help companies find buyers. And they pay you for it? It's like being a digital salesperson. But you set your own hours, work from anywhere, and there's no cap on how much you can earn. Part 2. How it works. Let's break it down. Sign up for an affiliate program. Like Amazon Associates, Charisse, you pick a product to promote. Say a fitness supplement or an online course. You get a unique link tied to your account. You share that link in a YouTube video, blog, Instagram post, or email. When someone clicks and buys, boom, you earn money. You can earn 4% to even 75% commission depending on the product and platform. Part 3. Choose a niche. Before you run off and start posting random links, pause. First, choose a niche, something you're interested in or have some knowledge about. Here are a few proven niches in 2024. Health and fitness, personal finance, tech and gadgets, online, education, home improvement, beauty and skincare. Pick one niche and stick to it. This helps you build trust and authority. Part 4. Find affiliate programs. Once you pick a niche, look for affiliate programs in that space. Here are some top affiliate networks to explore. Amazon Associates, great for beginners, but commissions are low. ClickBank, high commissions and digital products. ShareASale, trusted platform with thousands of merchants. CJ Affiliate, good for big brands like Lowe's and TurboTax. Impact Modern and Clean dashboard with growing advertisers. Pro tip, also Google your niche, plus affiliate program to find independent ones. Part 5. Build a platform to promote. Now where do you share your links? You need a platform? You don't need a website, but you do need a place where people will see your content and click your link. You can use YouTube, create how-to videos or reviews, TikTok, short viral videos, Instagram Reels and product recommendations blog, great for SEO and long-term, traffic, email list. Still, one of the best converting tools. If you're shy on camera, start with a blog or TikTok voiceovers. Part 6. Create content that converts. The trick to success is creating valuable content. Don't just drop links. Help people. Examples. Top 5 headphones under $100. How I lost 15 pounds with this supplement. This budget app helped me save $500 this month. The goal is to show people how a product solves their problem. Then offer your affiliate link as the solution. Part 7. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Quick warning. Most beginners fail because they spam links everywhere. Don't focus on building trust. Quit too soon after not seeing instant results. Affiliate marketing takes consistency and strategy. Focus on helping, not selling. Part 8. Track, optimize, grow. Most affiliate programs give you a dashboard to track your clicks and conversions. Use tools like Bitly to shorten and track links, Google Analytics to monitor traffic, Canva to make great visuals. Once you find what works, double down. Rinse and repeat. Final tips. What I do if I started today? If I were starting today, here's what I do. Pick a niche I enjoy. Create a TikTok or YouTube channel. Sign up for 2 affiliate programs in that niche. Post 3 videos or posts per week. Focus on value, not just sales after 90 days. I'd review my analytics and start scaling. Affiliate marketing, SNTA, get-rich-quick scheme. But it is one of the smartest ways to build passive income in 2024 if you stick with it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to all of them. Subscribe for more no-fluff videos about building income and wealth online. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and take that first step.